Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to send large files on Discord without Nitro. So, if I go here to Discord and I open up a conversation, I'm going to click on the plus icon over here at the side of the message box. Then I'm going to click on upload a file. Then when I go ahead and upload a file, as you can see, I'm not able to upload it because it exceeds the size limit of 10 MB. And apparently you need to upgrade to Discord Nitro in order to upload larger files. But an alternate solution that we can do is we're first going to open a new tab. Then we want to search for WeTransfer. Then you're going to click on the first link. And from here, you're going to go here to the left side. Then you're going to click on Add Files. Then you're going to upload the file that you wanted to send in Discord. Then you're just going to have to enter an email. And after that, you're going to click on Transfer. Then you're just going to have to verify your email. You're going to receive a verification code to the email that you have typed in. Then you're just going to simply type in the code over here. Then click on Verify and Send. And after that, you're just going to wait for it for a few moments. So after it's done loading, you'll be able to see this link. So you're going to copy the link. Now you're going back to Discord. And then you're going to send the link instead of the file. And once you have sent the link, they can simply click on that link and they can go ahead and download this file straight from the link. So I hope this helps and thanks for watching.